Hey guys, this is your friend Mainak from Civil Center and I welcome all of you back to our channel and another video on Tekla Structural Designer. So friends, one of our viewers, Creative Construction, had commented, so please explain how to generate simplified beam and column plan location. So friends, in today's video we're going to show you how to generate simplified beam and column location in Tekla Structural Designer. So first of all, let's decide the level in which for which we want to generate the beam and column plan. So let's see the structures. We have the levels here, so let's open this. So this is basically the foundation level, and then we have the base, which is the plinth level, and the next level is structure 1, which is this one, and then structure 2, it is this one, and structure 3 is the top level. So let us generate the beam and column plan, or the beam column location plan, or for our structure 2. So for that we'll just go to the drawing options, and then we'll just go to the drawing settings or the drawing management. After going to the drawing management, we'll select here general arrangement, and after that we'll add some content. Click on content and we'll just select the structure 2. We'll drag it to this type, this side, and then click on OK. After that we'll just click on view drawing. So after that automatically the beam column plan will be opened in an AutoCAD file. So as you can see, the beam column plan has been generated in AutoCAD automatically. So here you can find the column markings, that is CS, CD1, and the sizes are also given. You can also find the markings or denotations of the slab, that is the two-way slab, and the markings and depth of the slab, and also the markings of the beam, and from which you can find the reinforcement details of the beam also. So this is basically the beam column layout diagram which they have generated, the software has generated, and then you can further add to it, or you can change it as per your preference. So I hope we have answered your query on how to generate simplified beam column plan in Tekla Structural Designer. So friends, keep watching our videos and do keep commenting. That's all for today. Bye bye.